Welcome to the TenG Spectrum Client Portal. This video will give you a brief overview of how our new portal will transform your experience. Built exclusively for our valued clients, the TenG Spectrum Client Portal is designed to centralize all your interactions with us. You can manage projects, track progress in real time, and chat securely with your team all in one place. No more juggling multiple tools or sifting through endless email chains. We heard your feedback and combined everything into one seamless, intuitive platform. Our goal is to make your experience as efficient and transparent as possible. The portal features a built-in ticketing system with clear escalation options, ensuring you receive high-quality support whenever you need it. Managing your finances has never been easier with our comprehensive billing and invoicing dashboard, perfect for both you and your accountant. Plus, effortlessly manage your subscriptions for digital marketing, SEO, AEO, and more, all within the portal. Our new referral system allows you to invite your business friends, fostering mutual growth and expanding your network. Meet Spec AI, your smart assistant, ready to provide instant help and answers to your questions right inside the portal. And for crystal clear communication, enjoy real-time chat directly within each project, keeping all conversations organized and relevant. Haven't joined yet? Contact your dedicated project relationship manager today and step into the future of client collaboration with TenG Spectrum.